Let me go to the material MM02, enter material. Quality management view is there. Plant is 1000. And in the inspection setup, inspection type 01 is activated, and these are the default settings which are coming from the configuration. Suppose if I want to make the changes in any one field, say control lot creation, by default it is for each material document item. Okay, but instead of this, in multiple material, I want to maintain, say, material batch and storage location, this option. So let's see how we can do this. Okay, so let me close this and save it. Let's first check the configuration. So /n QCC0, enter, and in the quality inspection lot creation, and just now we saw the default values which are maintained for the inspection type 01, and these are the default values which are coming in the material master. Here, for each material document item, this value is maintained. So if I make the changes here in this as, say, material batch and storage location, let's save this, continue. And QA08 is a transaction which gives us the option to make the changes in the material inspection setup at the mass level. QA08, enter, and here this mass processing is there. So select this, and under that you get the option to use default values for the inspection type. Select this, and for the inspection type 01, I have just now changed the default settings. You can specify the list of material on which you want to make the changes. Okay, so if I want, say, 250 as my material, 255, and just now I have shown you the material. We check it once. The material was MM0, enter material was 209. So I can enter the material 209 also here in this, and then click on copy. And I have selected use the default values for the inspection type. And I have specified my inspection type as 01. Click on execute. You can maintain the list of materials in which you want to make the changes at the mass level. Select all and then click on save. Now here in the bottom you can see 4 materials were processed. Let's check these material. So MM02, enter, and 264 only first. Enter quality management view, and in the inspection setup for the inspection type, here the control lot creation value is coming now. Okay, by default normally it is first one for each material document item. Okay, and if we check the another material which is 209, let's take this. Okay, just now we have checked 209. Okay, let's enter key, quality management view, and in the inspection setup, so this is coming. Whereas if I activate, say, let me take some material from MM60, raw material I can take, execute it, and let's take 240. So MM02, enter, and material is 214, quality management view. And here, let me activate inspection type 01, activate it and click on details. So here it is coming as for each material batch and storage location, as we have done the changes in the configuration, that the default values for the inspection type is this. So at the mass level, if you want to make the changes, then this is one way by which I can make the changes, whatever data we have maintained in configuration, that will be copied here. So let me again make the changes in the configuration, and I can undo the changes which I have done for the inspection default values. For the inspection lot 01, let me keep it once again the first option, which is by default. For the inspection type 01, save it. Continue. So QA08 gives you the option to make the mass processing also, to use the default values which are maintained for the inspection type.